How to use projects in Todoist. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am giving you a quick tutorial on how to use projects in Todoist. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up todoist.com and you will get to this platform right here. Now I'll show you how to use projects. So to create a new project, you can just go to this option right here and then click on this plus button. Now we have to give our project a name. So let's go ahead and call it Project V. Then we can select the color for our project just to customize it. So I'm going to go with this one. Then we have add to favorite if you want. And then we can select a view, list or board. So for this one, I am going with a list view. Click on add and a new project will be created right here. You can also check all of your projects right here. You can see this one is the new one and this is my old project. Now I can create a task and then I can also add different sections to my projects. And this will allow me to customize my project. We can share our project with someone else as well. So just click on share and then you can enter their email address right here and you will be able to share and add them as a collaborator. Or you can invite a team member from this option right here. So you can just enter their email. They will be able to check your project here. Then we have view and I can customize my views right here. We have a list view right now, but I can switch to a board view as well. Similarly, we have comment option right here. And if I click on these three dots, we have edit project, add section, import from a template, export as a template, duplicate project, project calendar feed, show completed task, archive project, or delete project. So all of the options are given right here. We can also use different templates for this one and we can add sections. We can also email tasks to these projects. And of course, we can delete the project from here. So yeah, guys, this is how you will be using projects in Todoist. It's really easy to use. You can just create a new project and then use all the features listed. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.